Hi, I'm Michael Boyes, CEO of Simple Tech Solutions. I guess we can start off with the latest data breaches. Kmart, Dairy Queen, Snapsave.com, which I guess means more naked celebrity pics. But, as Engadget notes, there are big data breaches and there are massive nation-changing data breaches. That would refer to South Korea, where a breach may force the government to not only revamp how it issues ID numbers, but give every citizen in the country a new one. The scope of this problem is somewhat unique to South Korea, but can you imagine all of us here needing new Social Security numbers? That would be an amazing task. Now, Microsoft says the Surface is here to stay to make customers feel more comfortable about purchasing one. And I'd say go ahead, but wait for Windows 10 as we discussed last week. Now, for Microsoft, that's not as much news as women in tech, and specifically women at Microsoft. Chairman Satya Nadella, speaking at a conference celebrating women in tech, was interpreted as saying women should not ask for a raise, but rely on the good karma of not asking. He apologized 4 hours later, but he really highlighted tech's female problem. The industry treats them like dirt, or at best, second-class citizens. Now, our friends at AT&T, meanwhile, remain in the news in a negative light. They were just forced to pay $105 million in fines for cramming customer phone bills with unauthorized third-party mobile phone charges. Imagine if the regulators were actually paying attention to these guys. Now, locally, we're seeing some wild claims about HIPAA compliance, with companies using false scare tactics about what's needed immediately for medical businesses to be compliant. If you have any questions at all about HIPAA compliance, be sure to give us a call at the number below. We can answer any of your questions, perform a HIPAA audit on your network, and develop a plan to get you compliant if you fall short anywhere. I'd like to thank Engadget, Forbes, the New York Times, Bloomberg Businessweek, and Global Tech for information on the updates this week. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.